Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to another video. Huge thank you to everybody tuning in. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you will be notified of all my future content. So this video is going to focus on long division. So I'm going to go through step by step how to solve long division problems. So first step is we want to divide by the smallest number possible. And the only rule is that the number inside the square has got to be bigger than the number outside the square. So 5 is bigger than 2, so we cannot do 2 divided by 5. 29 is bigger than 5, so we can start with 29 divided by 5. So we want to figure out how many groups of 5 go into 29. So if I count by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 would be too far. 30 is more than 29. But I was able to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 5 within the number 29. So 29 divided by 5 equals 5. 5 times 5 is 25. We divide, we multiply, we subtract, we bring down. So 29 minus 25 equals 4. So we have a remainder of 4. Now we're going to bring down the 9. I want to see how many times does 5 go into 49. So we already know that 5 goes into 25 5 times. But if we keep counting by 5s now, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 would be too far. Again, we want to see how many groups of 5 we can get within 49. If we pass 49, it's too far. So how many groups of 5 did I get within 49 without going over 49? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 goes into 49 9 times. And I got 45 is as close as I got to 49 without going over. So 49 minus 45 equals 4. So we have a remainder of 4. We're going to bring down the final 5. Five goes into 45. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. And 45 minus 45 equals 0. So there was no remainder there, and we have our final answer. 2,995 divided by 5 equals 599. Huge thank you to everybody tuning in. Please hit that like button. I appreciate you. All right, now I'm about to erase. Where is my eraser at? Did I bring an eraser? Yes, I did. I got an eraser right here. About to demonstrate another one. All right. 3,885 divided by 5. I like the dividing by 5s. I'll keep it to the dividing by 5s here. All right. 3,885 divided by 5. So step 1, we want to find the smallest number possible to divide by within the square. So looking, 5 is bigger than 3, so we cannot do 3 divided by 5. 5 is not bigger than 38, so 38, we can do 38 divided by 5 to start. So we got to figure out how many times 5 goes into 38, so I'm going to count by 5s up here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. If I go to 40, 40 would be too far because 40 is more than 38. But I'm going to count how many groups of 5 I got from here to 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5 goes into 38 7 times. And as you can see, when I skip counted, 35 was the closest number I could get to 38 without going over. So I'm going to do 38 minus 35 because there is going to be a remainder there. We have a remainder of 3. So now the next step is to bring down. So we already know how many times 5 goes into 38. We just did that out. 5 goes into 38 7 times. So I'm going to put another 7 here. 38 minus 35 equals 3. So we have a remainder of 3. I'm going to bring down the final number. 5 goes into 35. And that's what you call a little ironic. Again, 7 times. Pretty simple math for this second example. And 35 minus 35 equals 0. There is no remainder. So that is my final answer. 3,885 divided by 5 equals 777. Huge thank you for everybody that turned into this video. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of this video. Let me know if you have any questions. And if there is another area of math or reading that you're struggling with, if there's any skill in math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments, and I will do a future video on that skill. Have a great night, everybody.